Hey guys, welcome to the TTM, the Trademate. Today we're gonna discuss about financial system of our Indian economy, how the financial system actually works. So there are major four types or four types or sections about financial system of our Indian economy. The first is financial institution, in which the major two systems are coming. The first is banking system or banking institution, and second is non-banking institution. Later on, second is financial markets. There are two types of financial markets. First is categorized as organized market and second is unorganized. The third is financial asset or instruments and the fourth is financial services. There are two types of services. We will discuss these in later on videos. Now came to first the financial institution. Financial institutions are categorized in two parts. The first part is banking institution and the second is non-banking institution. Considering the banking institution, this is divided. The first is commercial banks. Now later the commercial banks are also divided into two parts. First is private commercial banks and second is public commercial banks. The second part of banking institution is corporative banks. The third is regional rural bank and the fourth is foreign bank. Now come to the non-banking institutions. We will discuss about non-banking institution market. The financial market is also divided into two parts. First is organized and second is unorganized. The organized is divided into two parts. The first is capital market or second is money market. The money market and the capital market. The capital market is divided into two parts. The first is secondary market and the second is primary market. You can exchange. The first is primary and the second is secondary market. Now the third is financial asset instrument and the fourth is financial services. There are two types of services. First is leasing, hiring, purchase, consumer credit, bill discounting, factoring, insurance, etc. The second is insurance management, merchant, banking, credit rating, debt restructuring, stock broking, etc. So this was a brief idea about financial system of our Indian economy. And in later videos we will discuss about this particular like section. First is the financial institution like banking, non-banking institution, and we will discuss later on about the banks, what are private banks, what is public bank, and which bank is categorized into private or public. Let's take an example of HDFC, Axis, and Canara Bank later on. We will also see what are these rates: CRR, SLR, MSF, bank rate, base rate, and how can the bank take loan, how they purchase credits from all of the so this was the brief structure about the financial system. In later videos we will discuss in brief and make a deep dive into these institutions.